sensitive little hands.
There's definitely
8?
like
Is that right?
Like, these are hard to read.
Oh. So, I don't actually know if Gecko has a preference. I personally like going second, but like Kev likes going first on Gecko.
I lose a lot of momentum.
So,
Hero Hoshi on turn 2 into...
I'll go second then. Luffy's pretty much the same. He doesn't really care, and I feel like second's just better.
Yeah, I like second. I think I'm gonna keep this. We'll see if I regret it. Tune in next week. Next week, it's gonna take us a whole week to play the game. Oh, no, you can't mulligan. I'm ready to play now. This guy.
I'm also gonna slow shuffle.
Slow shuffle. And so I think that I have like 2 sleeves that are Sage's Portal Black sleeves, and these are Dragon Shield sleeves. So they're marked cards. I'm sorry. Don't tell. Don't tell the cops.
I brought Zora last
should bring
week.
that to Nats like that.
No, I got Gecko sleeves, but I don't want to put the Bandai sleeves on them because they're proxied, and that. Yeah.
It's fair.
I saw something that like the Bandai sleeves, a lot of them are like illegal.
Oh yeah, the emu. Yeah.
Like, but it's not just the illegal ones. There's like other ones too that have pretty
Oh, I'm going first, right? All right. I'll tap 1. I'll put Sindri, my latest Thriller Bark. I'm gonna trash 5 from the top of my deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty good. That's a good start to my trash. Pass to you. Whoa, are you getting 3'd on, Judge?
Yeah,
Judge, this man's cheating?
I will.
All right, I'll draw for turn.
Can you play stuff out in your trash? Is that
Yeah, I've got a lot of the cards have on KO effects, and every trigger is play a 4 cost from the trash, basically. I'll go ahead, I'll tap 3, I'll play Absalom, who's on KO, search for a Thriller Bark.
Okay.
5 at me? Oh, pass. I'm shocked.
I want to see my search
You love this game? This game loves you.
6 life.
I'll take it. Oh my gosh, I got a trigger. I'm gonna play a 4 cost from the trash. I'll play Dr. Hogback from the trash, rested.
Okay.
Wow, good game. Alright, let's see. Is there any point to actually swing it? 6 lead? Oh shit. I'll Gecko ability to KO Absalom. And I'll look at my top 3. 2, 3.
You played out 2 or just search?
I just search it.
Okay.
It'd be crazy if I got to. I'm just gonna play on my Gecko here real quick. I'll search Gecko. He lets me select a Thriller Bark type character with cost 4 or less from my trash and play it to the top of my life or to the board.
Okay.
No, I'm sorry. This one's just top of the life, face up.
Okay.
There's another Gecko that lets me play it to board. My bad, homie. And then he's now a 6K. He's now a 6K as well. Oh, and then she's a 3K. Watch out! Watch out! Hey, I swung one of my searchers last game, so.
You don't know.
7 lead.
I'll take.
Whoa! Absalom. Pass. So I've got this funny feeling you're just gonna.
Nah, I would let it go through.
You let it go through. You would?
just for you.
For me? Oh, dude, for the content?
Yeah.
That's a friend right there.
He throws for the cup.
That's right, that's right.
I could finally play cards out.
You can
Yay.
finally play cards?
8,000 characters.
Can you take him back?
No, I'm putting her down too.
Oh.
I'll swing. What's his on pick? Play a
Uh,
trigger out.
play a 4-cost character trigger. It's not limited to Thriller Bark.
Okay, I'll swing 7 on life.
7 at life.
I'll just pretend your
Let me
board doesn't
see.
exist.
I'll trigger.
Trigger.
I know, it's crazy. I'll play out Corona, stun Sanji, so he can't attack this turn. Wow, wow,
Pass them.
wow. Okay.
We stay out. So if I go out life, you play a character. If I attack your characters, you play a character.
Yeah, it's great. I have a great time with this deck. Why am I counting my hand? 7. Eh. I'll go ahead. I'll swing 5 at lead.
This feels bad. I hate going first.
Pop Epsilon. Look at my top 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I didn't see what I wanted to see. That's crazy. I think I'll take Sentry. And then what do I want to do here?
Take life, take it first, and then
Hold on, I have to think.
You're good. Thinking's hard.
So true, King.
take it. No trigger.
Okay, cool. Let's go 7 lead.
No trigger.
7 lead. What card's that?
It's the new Nami.
The new Nami. Yeah, that card's good. I hate it. 7 lead.
I'll take that one.
No leader. And then I'll tap 4. I'll play Perona and stun Sanji again.
Okay. Like, play out my characters, like, you can't do anything.
Exactly. I can't allow you to swing with Sanji.
I can totally kill him. Sorry.
Like, you're not ready for this.
My plan was different.
No?
I'm like, wait, no, I can attack her. Yeah, she's fine. And then I
7?
think
Oh,
There you
Oh.
go.
that's what I meant to do.
that's the guy.
I dropped
The
the
guy. No, I'll leave those red.
It's
And
like-
put them on my leader.
Oh, with the Nami, right?
Did that.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was really good.
I'll rest your dudes.
No, my dudes.
About to attack you. We're gonna keep it. 1, 2, 3.
What's Perona's on kill?
Stun a character.
Okay.
I'm doing alright. It's because I fucked up. I was about to get that boa if he just forgot that he did the
I will swing. 9 Perona.
9 at Perona. I'll let her go and stun Luffy until your next turn.
Oh, I thought you meant this turn. Oh.
Yeah, well, it technically. So he's stunned this turn, and then when it goes to your turn, he's unstunned, unless I can play her again
Okay.
in my turn, if that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, that's what I thought.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll pass. You don't want to stun Sanji?
4 base cost 4.
Double stun?
Oh, I could do it.
She's not like great. It was like, it's what she's gonna do. She's mostly here.
Right.
My first 2 matchups were not OP14 decks. I'm not liking this.
Yeah, go ahead.
I got lucky.
But I think Queen is a better just if you do play something that costs 4.
Okay, here's the game plan, brother.
Versus if you go down to that.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, Sanji ability, right?
Nami ability.
Oh, and Nami, I forgot. She only stands 5?
Yeah. I only have 4 to stand.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm stupid. I only left 4 on.
You're good. It's fine. I'll go 5 at lead.
Let's do.
Gecko ability. I'll pop Perona. I'll stun Luffy.
Thank you, sir.
She already drew it.
I'll
Please bottom card from your
tap 8. I'll play Gecko. Gecko will play Perona. I'll stun Sanji. Oh wait, no, this goes to my. Hold on, my bad. This one goes to the top of my life.
Okay.
That one heals me. My bad. I thought it was the other
My
Gecko.
Sanji is safe for now.
Your Sanji's safe for now. Yeah. And then I'll go 6 lead. 6 lead. No leader ability. Pass.
Damon took mine yesterday. Because he said, you don't play. He doesn't even play the game. Uncle's isn't a real one. You're right, there was like 6 kids there. You're a child. You guys clearly aren't really gaming. I mean, I'm sorry. You're playing Capone, right? All we can hang on. That's pretty good.
That's the guy I like.
I like it too.
Only me. I'm the only one allowed to like someone. Look, wrong. You like a fish, so.
Well, that's a.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. Hold on. My bad.
All right. Time to attack.
I could have played Piranha off the Gecko. My bad. I could have. Yeah, that's okay. No, that's good. That's good. I gotta learn these lessons, you know.
That's fair.
Enough. 1,
Enough.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's stunned.
Sanji's not stunned, right?
Sanji is not currently stunned. You are right.
A good 10 at life anyways. But not
10
that
at life.
It's the best.
I love it.
I will take and I'll trigger out
It's really disturbing.
Nami, or that's Piranha, and stun Sanji. Why not?
Okay.
7-1.
Dang.
I was thinking about it. You know what happened in the hospital?
Arm back.
Seven at Agva.
You can attach $2. You can attach $2.
I'll let him go, and on KO I'll play out.
Okay.
I'll
I
turn
can't
on.
do anything without you just playing a character out.
Alright. I'll tap 1, I'll play Lilith. 4.
They'll tell you they wish they could restart it. Yeah. Without and
I'll get Gecko for no reason, don't worry about it.
For no reason. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not gonna play him out.
That'd be so silly and quirky of me.
Rose. Alright.
Finally!
No cards in it?
Me too.
Pop Corona. Stun Luffy. Everybody gets 1,000. And then
I take a
I'll tap 8 for Gecko.
Take life, kill this idea.
I'll play out Corona. Let me. Well, I'm gonna read it real quick. Hold on. Select one Thriller Bark type character card that costs 4 or less from your trash and play it, or add it to the top of your life face up. I will play it and stun.
Does it say rest? I think you just played out.
Oh, I guess I can just play it out. My bad. Yeah, it just doesn't play it. I'm so used to it being rested. I'll stun this Sanji.
Okay.
And then, yeah, okay.
Draw 2 and trash 2. I mean, I draw 1.
I'll go 7 into
And
Sanji.
then I draw 2 and trash 2.
Or is it just something that's happening yet? Oh, that one. If you swing into it, I mean. No, it's not. That's a little.
6 lead.
And you get a.
I honestly forgot he was there.
I get
draw.
11 Sanji.
Oh, it's draw. No, it's draw 2 trash 2. Yeah, if you have 3 or less, I draw 3. I draw 2 trash 2. So it's
Wait, how'd
just
you get 3?
because I draw 1 off of you. When you play a character out, on your turn.
Zoro was in the
And then I'll tap another for rest.
So,
I forgot.
And pass your way.
So they're both stunned, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sanji's not stunned though. Got your blanket.
So cool.
Honestly,
You should buy one.
I'm considering. If not for me, for the girlfriend.
She'll love it.
I know. I'm sure she will. Dude, she crocheted me a blanket for Christmas.
Yeah.
It's fucking peak, man. Yeah, it is so cozy. My dog loves it. I'll show you a picture.
I knew you got rid of one. And he played the other three in the last two turns. Yeah.
Five.
I can play another Sanji.
I'll play over my Luffy.
Oh,
Because I'm just gonna keep freezing it.
I am gonna keep praising him. You're so right.
Restand to give to rested.
Mhm.
No swing with ball.
Ah, good game.
I'm sore.
Yeah, I just
I'm getting rid of her anyway.
every time it's like it feels good at the beginning,
I can only swing it once.
later,
I know.
it's just like
Yeah, if you don't see your like Fisher Tigers on teammates, it kind of feels bad. But I love it.
I'll stun your leader.
Is there a single card in that deck that isn't a trigger?
Yes, there's like 6.
Okay.
because I saw
All right. Let's see what we can do.
he was like he was playing that and then he showed me like his graph on the sim like where like the point where he started playing the 7 warlords so he's like 7 warlords.
I'll go 9 at lane.
Really like when I think about it, it doesn't make sense, but I think it just
No trigger.
No trigger.
Yeah.
But I also
Yeah, you're not used to
information
those
me
words.
out.
I know, I've never heard those words in my life.
Frustrated with it.
I'll pop Perona, stun a Sanji. Everything gets plus 1,000.
Yeah.
One
10,000 lead.
decent sized competition in Japan.
Oh, I should have played this first.
Yeah. I haven't seen
It's a rest
like any versus saying
I'll go 9 leads. So 8, 9, yeah.
This is like a competition
Okay.
winning list. It's 7 warlords, so I should play. Because I just, man, you know, I want to
I'll go 9 leader ability. I'm gonna trash
I know, it's like
3
that's
cards.
kinda
Hog
like-
back, hog back.
If you win,
And you know what?
also
Hog back.
figure out these decks too. Because if you win,
complete.
to be a jerk.
Trash.
And I really actually
I don't need all 4.
I'll go 11 leads.
I haven't tried the big deck. It's
My hand was like all bricks the whole game. I played out like all my cards.
Yeah.
I guess not.
No,
all
I mean that first mill that I got off the Sindhu was it set me up for the game, which it never does. I always end up milling like my geckos, but no, it was